can now take advantage of new smart data workflows when working with files from Autodesk Inventor. Significant enhancements have been made in importing Inventor data into Autodesk 3ds Max Design 2011. You can now import Inventor parts or assembly models directly into Max. Let's have a look at this by bringing the block model I just showed you in Inventor. You can see here that I have access to all the IPT files as well as the .im. We'll bring the complete assembly for this example. Once I choose my file, the Inventor import window will open, giving me different settings to choose from. First, I can choose to either import the Inventor file as body objects and keep the mathematical curve information, or transform my object into meshes. There's assembly options such as create layer per objects, which will help the organization of my project in 3ds Max Design. Then material options, as well as import meshes resolution if I do choose to import into meshes. I can also choose the vertical direction, which will help bring the model with proper orientation in 3ds Max Design. Let's change this option to the Y-axis to match my Inventor project and click OK. Here I have received a complete assembly. While in wireframe mode, I can clearly see the body objects keeping the curve data information from Inventor in its native form. By opening my material editor, I can start loading few of these scene materials. You can see that the Inventor materials are kept, in this case, using the Autodesk Common Material Library. If I look at my Layer Manager window, you will see that the layers have been named and organized according to the Inventor materials, helping for scene management. From here, it will be really easy for me to start my visualization process. Let's use that simple plane and position it under the block. I will apply an architecture and design material on it and choose a perspective view. Once I'm satisfied with the orientation and angle of my perspective view, I can easily create a camera from view, and it will preserve the angle I just chose. Showing the camera save frame will help me understand what part of my viewport will be rendered. I will then create a daylight system to bring in some lighting and turn on viewport hardware shading to help me understand how the daylight system is affecting my scene. I can also display the background and really have a good feedback on my lighting. Once I'm satisfied with the viewport results, I can hit render and the results should be very similar. With the significant enhancement made to Inventor import, you don't lose time reapplying material and adjusting your model. It is easy to take this model to the next level by adding environment, testing material and camera angle, and really create a fast imagery that will help you visualize your design.